Have you ever wished your car could just take care of itself? Imagine a world where you never have to worry about a sudden breakdown or spend hours trying to figure out what that weird noise is. A world with smart sensors, AI-powered diagnostics, and automated repairs. Well, that world isn't science fiction anymore. It's happening right now, and it's completely changing how we think about car maintenance. Welcome to the garage of the future. Forget those old, greasy workshops. Today, we're diving into a high-tech haven where technology is the ultimate mechanic. Picture this. You drive your car into a smart garage and immediately the system gets to work. From checking your engine's health to predicting when you'll need your next oil change, modern tech can do it all. This means no more long waiting times at the dealership and absolutely no more guesswork about what's wrong with your vehicle. The entire process is streamlined, efficient, and incredibly accurate. So how does it all work? Let's take a closer look. Inside these advanced service centers, AI-powered robots are the new front line. These aren't just clumsy machines from old movies. They are sophisticated systems designed for precision. They can inspect every single detail of your vehicle in a matter of minutes. We're talking about checking tire pressure and tread depth with laser accuracy, analyzing your oil quality without even opening the cap, and testing your battery's performance to predict its remaining lifespan. Brakes, suspension, fluid levels, nothing escapes their notice. It's a comprehensive health check that's faster and more thorough than ever before. And the best part? All this information doesn't just stay in the garage. Your car is now part of a connected ecosystem, communicating directly with your smartphone. Imagine getting a notification on your phone that says, "Your front right tire pressure is low," and the nearest service station is 2 miles away. Or an alert that your brake pads will need replacing in about 500 miles, giving you plenty of time to schedule an appointment. You can receive instant updates, alerts, and personalized recommendations for servicing, all within a single, user-friendly app. This puts you in complete control, empowering you with data to make informed decisions about your car's health. It's proactive, not reactive. Now, you might be wondering, where do people fit into this picture? Are mechanics becoming obsolete? Not at all. The role of the human technician is evolving. Instead of spending hours on manual diagnostics, they are now supervisors and specialists, overseeing the automated processes and handling complex repairs that require human ingenuity. Technology enhances their skills, providing them with tools that offer unparalleled precision and efficiency. For example, a robotic arm might perform a perfectly aligned wheel change, while the mechanic ensures the entire operation runs smoothly. This synergy between human expertise and machine precision means cars are serviced faster, smarter, and with a higher degree of safety than ever before. It's about augmenting human capability, not replacing it. Think about the implications. Less time spent in the waiting room, lower chances of human error, and a longer, healthier life for your vehicle. The convenience is unmatched. You could drop your car off in the morning and have it fully serviced, cleaned, and ready to go by lunchtime, all while you're at work, tracking the progress from your phone. As we see this shiny, fully serviced car rolling out of the garage, it's clear that the future of car care has arrived. It's a future where technology makes owning and maintaining a vehicle completely effortless and stress-free. The days of unexpected car troubles and confusing repair bills are numbered. The next time your check engine light comes on, your car might just book the appointment for you. So the only question left is, are you ready to embrace this incredible new era of automotive technology? Thanks for watching. If you're as excited about the future of tech as we are, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more amazing innovations. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and comment.